Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and Walter just got back from Walmart and the pharmacy, and I'm starving, so I'm air frying some chicken nuggets in my new air fryer. I'll let y'all see. Just a minute. Okay, this is the Paula Deen 10-quart air fryer. And I got this tray up high. So I got some spicy chicken nuggets and regular chicken nuggets. So I set it for 20 minutes at 400 since it's raw meat. Okay, I'm going to show y'all what I got. Okay, this is the Southern style chicken bites. It's raw chicken, so you have to cook it just like real chicken. Don't cook raw chicken, do not microwave. This is what Doug had said tasted almost like Chick-fil-A, but I ain't never had the Chick-fil-A, so I don't know what it tastes like. And this is the Country Pride BLAZIN chunks, and it's raw chicken. Okay, so I got some of each. I want to look at it, turn his nose up. Okay, more for me. Okay, they're done. I took the temperature and they are done. So put these in this basket. I got foil down under that grill plate, or whatever you call that. And then flip these. And by them being up high, they cook faster. This looks like real chicken. Well, it is real chicken. Okay. That's what it looks. Turn it off. Unplug it. I'll bring the cord around. So these are my chicken nuggets. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm still testing out this air fryer before I throw the box away. Walter's already taking it outside, so I hope it don't rain. So far so good, but I've only used it twice. So, here are my chicken nuggets. Hot to taste. Whoa, no. I ain't burning off my taste buds. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bon appetit. Bye.